In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in Facebook Messenger. If you're getting constant pop-ups from Messenger while you're browsing, this will show you how to silence them right from Google Chrome on your computer without changing anything inside the Messenger app itself. First, open Chrome Settings. In the top right corner of Chrome, click the three dots to open the menu, then choose Settings. We're doing this in Chrome because Messenger's website uses your browser to show notifications, so turning them off here will stop those pop-ups and chimes from interrupting you on your desktop. Once you're in Settings, head to the Privacy and Security section. There, click Site Settings and then Open Notifications. This notifications page is where Chrome manages which websites are allowed to send alerts. It's the control center for those little banners that appear in the corner of your screen and the sounds that go with them. Now find Messenger.com in the list. You'll usually see websites grouped under Allowed to Send Notifications or Not Allowed to Send Notifications. If the list is long, use the search or filter on the page to quickly locate Messenger.com. If you use Messenger for more than one account in the browser, they all run through the same Messenger.com site, so you only need to adjust it once here. When you see Messenger.com, change its permission to block. Depending on your version of Chrome, you might click the three dots next to Messenger.com and select Block, or click into the site's permissions and choose Block from the Notifications dropdown. Either way, setting it to block tells Chrome to stop delivering any notifications from Messenger's website. That's it. From now on, you won't see or hear browser notifications from Facebook Messenger while using Chrome. Your messages will still arrive in Messenger when you open it, but Chrome won't surface pop-ups on your desktop. This only affects notifications in this browser on this device. It won't change what happens in the mobile app or in other browsers. If you ever want to turn notifications back on, return to the same notifications page in Chrome Settings, find Messenger.com again, and switch it back to Allow. It takes just a moment. Thanks for watching. With a quick visit to Chrome's site settings, you've taken control of Messenger's web notifications and cleared away those distractions so you can focus on what matters.